poder. Desliza no beat, faz acontecer. O mundo gira ao teu redor. Com esse swing, tu é maior. Mexe, remexe sem parar. Essa energia vai te levar. Junto emendo todo uma dança. É o baile que nunca vai acabar.
Sobe o clima, sente o calor. Requebra no ritmo, sente o amor. Vem no flow, não pode negar. Essa vibe é nossa, pode acreditar.
Mexe, remexe sem parar. Essa energia vai te levar. Junto emendo toda uma dança. É o baile que nunca vai.
This was the moment I, for myself, hit a time I would never think I would ever score. And yeah, in that moment when I did it, I was so unbelievably happy that I even let out a yes scream, where my sister then came in and asked if everything was alright. But let me tell the story from the beginning. About 2 weeks ago at this point, I posted on YouTube and TikTok a two and a half minute video compilation of me doing some impressive driving. Let me say that impressive in a really sarcastic voice in this case, and both of my friends, good friends actually, Hunter, OP, and Kurumi, commented Kurumi under the TikTok. Hunter actually on Discord in private messages. They both messaged me and gave me some tips. Special thanks to these two right at the start of this video. But an even more special, or in this case, bigger thanks goes out to my dear friend Hunter OP. I hope you are watching at this moment still and not skipping through the video to find the faster time I've set, because I didn't show it to you yet. But back to the topic. Hunter OP helped me through excessive training, advice. We even joined in together into some private lobbies and drove there, and we talked in voice chat and talked about it everything in detail, and we shared clips and whatever. I could show you the entire chat, and we would still sit here tomorrow and talk about this, because the help that I got from him is so unbelievable big for me. And yeah, I already spoiled it. At the end of this video, I will show you an even faster 102 time. This 102.9 you saw as the intro is actually the first time I've set, the first 102 time I set in my life. And the first, yeah, you get it. I don't need to repeat myself, I think. And yeah. Now, before we get into the other video, or into the faster 102 lab, or the fastest that I've set up to this point, I want to talk about something that came to my mind when I was about to make this video. First of all, what kind of butterfly effect was this video in the first place? If I wouldn't have put in these Venom clips of the 2.5 minute compilation, neither of the two would have given me help or advice in this case, really, because they wouldn't even have seen it if they didn't put it in. Yeah. So, and just because I posted it and both of them commenting / helping me out, and me having the motivation to then actually take the time and learn the track and the car properly to set a proper but not quite fast time. Yeah, that's kind of a butterfly effect if you think about it. If I wouldn't have posted, none of this would have happened. I wouldn't make this video. I wouldn't have made the trailer last week. I wouldn't have done any of this. I would probably go on and wouldn't even have tried Pudong rice up to this point. So, yeah, it's insane. Now, instead of some regular MP2 races in the background, what you're watching right now, I could show you without over exaggeration, a 20-hour compilation of me just missing runs, fucking shit up and stuff. So, yeah, throwing away a good lap or getting fucked by the game and because of that having to throw away the lap. But I'm not gonna do this. I will show some crazier clips that I've got, but I can say it right now. Most of the runs died simply because of skill issue, because I didn't learn the track up to that point properly. Still in my fastest 1 or 2 time that you're gonna see at the end of this video, I still didn't do the track perfectly. Let me get this straight for the people that are commenting, why you're saying this is perfect. It's not. It's not. It's not a perfect lap. It is impressive for the 1 star my Venom is at, and for my skill level it's even more impressive, especially for me, because I didn't think at the start I would even do it. I was already happy with a 103 time. But it's quite a magical feeling if you think about it. Learning a track and seeing step by step getting faster and more consistent. Before I even started training, my personal best was something in the 108, which is more than 8 seconds slower than the world record for the 1-star Venom on Pudong rice in a 1 lap cycle. So, yeah, kinda crazy. And now I'm all the way down to a 102 time. Not quite 6 seconds, I would say I have improved, but my consistency on this track has increased very, very much, in my opinion. When I could right now join into a private lobby with this track and the car in my hands, and don't even give me 10 tries, and I will set in at least 3 of these 10 times, I would set a 103 or even faster time. Now, I'm not consistent with the 102s, and I can say it right now, this is only part 1 of this project. I'm not gonna stop after making this video. I will continue learning the track. I will continue learning the car on this track until I drive either a 101 or even a 1 flat, or 100 in this case. Because 1 flat would be 100,000, but that would be almost the world record. So yeah. But I don't think I will get ever close with Tilt. How I'm playing it right now. I will never get as close to the world record as if I would get a controller now and take my time learning the car and track again with controller properly this time. So yeah, I think my skill level is not enough to beat a 101 time yet. So practice. That's pretty much what this video is about. You need to practice to set a good enough time nowadays. And don't get me wrong, please. I'm really happy about that 102 time. And I think I don't know how to explain how I felt in that moment, but being happy is not even fair, I guess. Because if you worked hard for pros, obviously a very slow time, but as me, as a very mid player at best, having a upper midfield to low top field time set on this track It's crazy for me. Because if you told me 2 weeks ago when I started practicing that I would now sit here and make this, I don't know how long this video will be, this, let's for example, 15-20 minute video and talk about setting a really fast time on this track, I would have laughed in your face because I couldn't believe it. But I guess here we are. Yeah, it's crazy. Really, really crazy. But I know I'm yapping very, very much. And while you are watching this MP races, these MP2 races, even though they are, in my opinion, impressive by itself, I will show you some B-rolls of times this conversation I was talking about with HunterOp, and so on and so on. And yeah, I don't even know what to say, but if you want to learn this, take my video, take the 8OD 102.9 or the even faster 102 time that you're gonna see in a couple of minutes. Take one of the two, take it as a reference run, and try to recreate it as good as good for you. I actually hope that people are gonna do this and even be able to beat me quite easily in a 1-star Venom. But yeah. By the way, if you want to know some funny numbers, when editing this video, I deleted 155 files coming together of about 50 or 55 gigabytes of video material of just runs that I didn't complete. And now these 155 files are not one run each. I'm not good enough to have this kind of fast learning. Each of them easily has 10 to 20 tries in each video, so you can make the math yourself. I wasted easily over 1,500 to 2,000 tries on this track. Most of them didn't even see the finish line. And the ones that saw the finish line, well, if you just took these times, a 104, then another 104, a 103, 3 more 103s, and then these two 102 times. It's crazy. If I wouldn't put it like this, you would think I would be some insanely fast learner, but I am not. I need to practice as everyone else. I'm not a pro, I'm not an alien, I'm not even pre-alien in my opinion. But yeah. Now, after everything of this, after this race, I promise you, you will see the promised 102 point something, but faster than 0.9 lap. And again, big thanks and a big shout out to my friend HunterOp and Kurumi, because even though Kurumi didn't do as much as Hunter, he still gave me tips and helped me when I needed it as well. So yeah, both of them get kind of a shout out. So yeah, I will see you again when I finally set a 101 or faster time. And now enjoy these two final races, or this 1.5 races, because this one we already are through with the half of it. And yeah, thank you guys for the help. Thank you guys if you watched until this point and didn't just skip through the video. And yeah, I see you again in the next video, either in a Grand Prix run, in a Diecast video, or in this set 101 time run. And yeah, if you enjoy these kind of videos, make sure to leave a like and please subscribe to this channel, because it helps me out a lot, and we are super close to 400 subscribers, and I would love to hit this number before the end of this year. So yeah, bye guys, enjoy the last lap.
The horizon pulls me closer, a whisper in the wind. The map is blank before me, where do I begin? No fear of what's uncertain, The unknown feels like home. With every step I'm finding a place I've never known. Let's go where no one has ever been. A world unseen beneath our skin. Through endless skies, we'll break the chain. Uncharted lands will claim them all. Rise like tides and let it fall. Just endless sea. Come drift with me. Come drift with me. Through endless skies, we'll break the chain. Uncharted lands will claim them all. Rise like tides and let it fall. Just endless seas. Come drift with me. Come drift with me.